Hey everybody, it's time to clean my kitchen for the very first time, and I'm also going to be unpacking all my kitchenware. Most of these items are new, so this is also an unboxing video. Before I unpack anything, I'm just going to do some cleaning. If I remember correctly, this was supposed to say home. I don't know if that's home in a different language. So some things have found a home. I have my scale, my waffle maker, and my instant pot down here. The shelf space is not high enough, so I had to place the glass lid with the handle on the inside, and then I have the pressure cooker lid down here. Our stove still isn't installed, so that's why there's nothing on top of there.
Yeah? Turn it off? Alright.
Now that I'm done cleaning, it's time to start unboxing and unpacking the rest of the items and washing anything that needs to be washed, and then I'll be putting them away. That is the pressure cooker lid. Yes. This is a steam basket. Something. How much basket it one come with? That's nice. It's the same place where box come from. I'm still waiting on these things to dry a little bit more before I get rid of any water that's left on them, so that I can rinse up some more stuff. Here's everything that came in the Ninja Kitchen System box. I left some salmon out to thaw. That's gonna be dinner. Guys, don't sleep on the things on Amazon marked as used. This one came from the Amazon warehouse and ain't nothing wrong with it.
Is this part of the video? Yes. Is this part of the video? Alright, now on YouTube. We are. Jesus Christ. I guess you're right.
So here's the kitchen after washing up all of those items and kind of getting rid of everything that was on the countertops. I ended up removing the shelf, so I just kind of slid it to the back so that everything under here could be covered, so the ninja could fit. And I think this is better because now everything can fit in here. I even have the kitchen system to the back. I have my waffle maker, my frother, and my can opener. Then on the other side here, I have the base and the door hook, and then I have the baskets that came with the Ninja Foodie. And then under the sink, I just have some cleaning stuff, the granite cleaner and the disinfectant, and I have this cooking accessories set. I don't even remember what's in this box. I think I took out one of the items and then I kind of just tossed this under here, so it kind of got forgotten when I was washing everything earlier. I have one pot under here for right now because this I'd used earlier today, so I'd washed it earlier. The rest of the pots I need to wash them, but of course I need to wait until the things on the sink dry, so they're there in that box. I need to unbox that, wash them up, and then put them away. These drawers right here don't have anything in them just yet. Under here I have the placemats and some cutting boards. Under there I took out one of the cutting boards, just kind of like those two, and that's what's under here for now. Above this cupboard is a drawer, and right now we have all the things for the fridge, so that when they come to install the fridge, all of the items will be right here within easy reach. And then in this drawer on the other side I have like Ziploc bags. My scale ended up in here. That's a a thermometer, and I found something in the drawer. This drawer has all of the books for everything, and then this little black thing is the base for the frother. This is a mini sealer, and I just have these things just thrown down in that drawer right there. Up here I have all my seasonings and spices. On the top there you'll see Easter bun. Over here I have rice and flour, some couscous, some peanut butter. And then on the other side at the top I have tea stuff down here, my vitamins, then supplements and snacks up there. Over in the corner in that brown box is coffee, and over here I have the plates, bowls, cups, etc. And there's my reflection, hey! And that's inside the fridge. Barely anything in there, but we just got here. And here's what's in the freezer. So now the other things are dry, so I can get these cleaned up and get them packed away. It's a blue diamond set, and they have the diamond pattern going on the bottom of it. So it's a 14-piece set, I believe. So it has the pots and the lids, 2 frying pans, and then 3 utensils, and there's a steamer basket as well. So this is what it's looking like after I've gotten rid of everything that's on the floor. Kitchen is clean. Excuse that glass there that I was using to drink some water. All of the boxes are gone. It's starting to look like home. Thank you for spending this time with me, and you will see me in the next one. Bye!